Hi, this is Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. Thanks for taking a minute to listen in. In a moment, I'll share with you some valuable information about this topic. Banks are broke. If you see any properties that are of interest to you, let us know. We will gladly send you a property information packet on any loft, condo, or house, or we will arrange for a private preview upon request. At this time, to help the community with free service, we're going to go in, just let us know the address. We will video it and upload it to YouTube for you at no charge. If you have a home you'd like to sell, then you should know that I will guarantee the sale of your present home at a price acceptable to you, or I'll buy it for cash. This guarantee will allow you to buy your next home without worrying about selling your present home. To find out how much you could sell your home for, call me at 213-880-9910 now. Lack of loft loans. Failing banks fail to come to the rescue to average homeowners. Banks are in growing trouble, and it's affecting Los Angeles real estate. U.S. Fractional Reserve banking. The system basically allows banks to lend out almost all of your money on deposit, and creating a system that is precariously close to collapse, even in good times. Today, under extreme financial strain, a banking system collapse is a hair away. A minor bank run has already occurred over the past few weeks on the East Coast, and there's not much to stop a banking panic in LA. A major bank run from coast to coast would quickly result in extremely low limits on withdrawals, then massive money printing by the Fed, followed by serious inflation. So here's the Los Angeles real estate news. Financing begins to dry up. This is the Los Angeles Property Market Recession update. We just got off the phone with one of LA's most experienced and powerful mortgage lenders. She mentioned that lenders are facing various challenges, particularly tightening. Chase and other banks are no longer offering HELOC home equity line of credit loans because equity is rapidly evaporating. Too many homeowners and prospective home buyers are recently and currently losing their jobs. The lenders have basically tightened up their requirements, and they're now limiting loans to those who have at least a 700 FICO score and 20% down. Wells Fargo has basically just shut off jumbo loans, which are the larger loans. I think they're loans over $800,000, somewhere around there. Other banks are also having jumbo problems and are requiring at least 20% down. Okay, let's take a look. Jumbo loan. Jumbo loans. I don't see a dollar amount, probably because they vary and they change. Yeah, so they vary, but somewhere around 800,000 to 900,000. For the jumbo loan, somewhere from 700,000 to $1 million, I believe. Okay, and today we just informed a new home buyer who wanted to put down just 5% to buy a new property under construction, new condominium complex under construction from a developer. But now they probably need to put down 20% or more. There's also an increased risk to his deposit because new home builders are under increasing financial stress. So the chances of some home builders having issues, going under, going bankrupt, it has increased lately because of the economy overall. All right, so we suggested that buyers of new construction homes wait and verify that the developer's new homes are at least 30% sold out, or preferably even 50% sold out or more before plunking down a significant deposit. Now, that may not always be possible, but the buyers need to know what the risks are under this environment, under these circumstances. Here is a list of loft lenders. These are lenders who are most likely to succeed in getting financing for an industrial or commercial loft conversion condo. And the last of the news, loft condo prices tumble. This week, a buyer and a seller just agreed to reduce the price by nearly $50,000. on a Los Angeles loft condo that is in escrow try to keep it from falling out of escrow, so the buyer would not cancel under force majeure clause. You can take a click at the link. Force majeure is while there's a pandemic, either the buyer or the seller can generally cancel, usually with no problem, based on the pandemic and the force majeure clause in the contract. Small business loans have begun to run dry. Bank of America has been failing to provide loan status updates to small businesses who have applied for a loan. It has been responding for several days with errors, saying unable to complete your request at this time. So that's the Bank of America failure that's happening right now. Get a free report about how to avoid home buyer mistakes. Avoid the 6 most common mistakes in downtown Los Angeles lofts. Get this free downtown real estate report that will inform you about recent mortgage and loft loan changes. It's called 6 Things You Must Know Before You Buy. And it's a very short form right here. Just fill that out and you'll get that free report. Okay? And finally, crumbling financial system is only helping those who need it least. That's usually the case, and that certainly is the case more than ever right now. All right, well, so thanks for listening about how banks are broke. As I mentioned earlier, a property information packet of any property, loft, condo, or house is available upon request. We're also offering that free video. Just let us know what property you're interested in, and we'll go ahead and go in and shoot the video. If there's not one available already, we will upload it to YouTube for you for free, no charge, as a community service. Call 213-880-9910 now. Thanks for listening in again. I'm Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. Take care. Bye-bye.